There are few wizard stories as great as that of Harry Potter's. And just outside of London, you can experience where they made the magical films at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, The Making of Harry Potter.
So The Making of Harry Potter is a working studio where we actually made all 8 Harry Potter films. You'll be able to walk around some of the actual sets used in filming, and we've got loads of original costumes and props on display, so you can see all of the tiny little details.
King's Cross Station. It's here where we will find platform 9 3/4 and the Hogwarts Express. It's time to enter the Great Hall. Wow. This is extraordinary. As you walk through the studio, you see all different stages and sets and even different props that they used in the film. It's the Nimbus 2000. It's about to get a little spooky. We're gonna go into the Forbidden Forest. You never know what's lurking in the darkness. Hi. I love the hippogriffs. It's time for potions class with Professor Snape. You must be careful of those who practice the dark arts, especially he who must not be named. This is Creature's workshop. So this is where they did all the prosthetics, the animatronics, lots of scary things. Oh my gosh. Gringotts Bank is so impressive. The massive marble pillars. You've got the chandeliers and some goblins who give you access to your treasure.
Every single part of it is just magical. You basically feel like you're at Hogwarts, which is pretty much a dream come true, isn't it?
As you're making your way through, you can take a break at the cafe and order yourself a refreshing butterbeer. My favorite, Diagon Alley. It's just like in the movie. This has been such a fun day coming to Warner Brothers Studio Tour London to learn all about the making of Harry Potter. We saw Gringotts Bank, the Great Hall, and my favorite, Diagon Alley with all its cute little shops. I couldn't have asked for a better experience, and now we head back to London.